So if I go to my CMD of my Windows 10 or 11 and if I type Mongo, so it shows it's an error, right? I have already downloaded the MongoDB community version. If you search here, MongoDB community server download, so you can see this is the MongoDB community server, right? So I have already downloaded for my Windows and it is already installed here. So if I go to my local disk, so just need to go to program files and here you can see this is MongoDB. So click on it, click on server, click on your version and click on bin. Now you just need to copy the path. Now from the PC, just open your My Properties, click on Advanced System Settings, click on Environment Variables, and in the path you just need to add this. I have already added, so I will delete and I will add new path, right? And if I click on OK, and if I close all the window and all the CMD here, right? If I open CMD and if I type, let's say Mongo, you can see Mongo is not working. So for this, you just need to download MongoDB shell. So just type in the Google. So click on the MongoDB shell download, right? And from this page, you just need to select the MSI installer, right? So just select the MSI installer. So this is the MSI installer, right? And click on download. So as you can see, I have already downloaded, so I just cancel it, right? If I go to my download directory in the programs, you can see this is the Mongo. So just click on install and click on next, click on next, click on install and just wait for a few seconds. Okay, you can see Mongo shell has been downloaded. All right, let's clean it. Now open your this PC C drive and if I go to program files, you can see there have, I guess, Mongo shell, if I'm not wrong. There should be a Mongo shell. Okay, so our Mongo shell has been already installed. So for that you just need to open CMD and here you can type Mongosh, Mongosh. You can see the shell is already connected and if I type show DBS, you can see all the DBs are here. So this is the process, and if I open my MongoDB Atlas, so what it shows. So this is my MongoDB Atlas and it's also working very fine. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next time.